Okay, so now we will solve questions about preparing truth tables. So firstly, I'm going to solve this second one in here. Prove, don't be, how can we say, don't worry about the prove part. You should simply prepare a truth table, and it's a very simple thing. So in this equivalence in here, how many different letters do we have? P and Q, two different letters. That makes two different propositions, P, Q. So the truth table means, I think you can remember that, we should compare all possible results. Let's use some better lines. One. So when there are two of them, we have only four options, which is true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. We should compare every possible result and with the truth table. So then we check that, do we need prime of anything? We need P prime, and we will also need Q prime single. So when you prepare for P prime, everything in P will be opposite. 1 will turn into 0, 1 will turn into 0, 0 will turn into 1, and 0 will be 1. When it's Q prime, everything in Q will be opposite. There is 1 over there, it's going to be 0. There is 0 in this row, it's going to be 1. There is 1 in here, 0. There is 0 over there, it's going to be 1. So now I will start preparing the left part. When I prepare the left part, I should do everything step by step. We mustn't do two calculations at once. That means firstly we will find P and Q. P and Q, that is something we did before. We are checking P and Q. First two columns, 1 and 1, the result. 1 and 0, the result. 0 and 1. 0 and 0. So then we can add the prime right now. We have P and Q. We did the first one step in here. Now we are going to do P and Q prime. That will be all for the left side. I will prepare the left side in here. So everything in P and Q will be opposite, inverse. 0, 1, 1, 1. I will check that if this is same with the right side. This is the left side of the equivalence, left side. So then when we go to the right side, we have P prime, which is already prepared, Q prime, which is already prepared in here. So we will do P prime or Q prime, 0 or 0. We are checking these two of them, 0 or 1, 1 or 0, 1 or 1. Now check that the left side and right side, in every case, they are giving us the same results. So this is a true equivalence. When we do this in the left side, firstly we check how many letters are there. 1, 2, 3 letters. For 3 letters, 2 power 3, there are 8 options. So we should compare them all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 3 letters P, Q, and R. Let's use also this kind of lines to be better. Okay, that will be enough. So firstly, how can we find all these 8 options? In the first case, I keep the first one as true. I compare the other 2 of them. Remember that for 2 propositions, we have true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. For all of these cases, the first one starting with true. So what if the first one starts with false? Compare the other 2 again with the same things. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. The first one is starting with false. So then we should prepare all these. So if you try to prepare all of these at once, which is I don't want it from you, I want you to do it step by step. So you should do like that. R and P or Q, 1 or 1, 1, and 1 is going to be 1. So actually right now you are doing two calculations at once. First you are calculating P or Q, 1 or 1, result 1, one step. Then you compare this result with R. That's why I want you to do it like firstly inside the parentheses, calculate, show it somewhere, then compare it with R. Now P or Q, 1 or 1, 1 or 1, 1 or 0, 1 or 0, 0 or 1, 0 or 1, 0 or 0, 0 or 0. So inside the parentheses is prepared in here. Now I'm going to compare it with R. So which is I'm comparing which columns, the column for R, the column for P or Q. And I will connect these two R and 1 and 1, 0 and 1, 1 and 1, 0 and 1, 1 and 1, 0 and 1, 1 and 0, 0 and 0. So the truth table is prepared. I hope that's okay for you.
Yes, thank you.